Okay, got another one of these Misfit boxes, and this time I went with the larger of the two boxes. I forget what the name of them is. They're cleverly named. It's all about marketing with the what it looks like here on the box. But I also went through and I chose some of the stuff that I got this time. So comes with a little bit of upselling stuff. This is what you could do. This is what you could make, perhaps, if you had all of these different things. Oh, it's even got instructions for how to bake a couple things. Universal Veggie Roasting Guide. Cool. It, of course, comes with the frozen pack. It's got some nice packaging. Let's see what we got this time. All right, I'll throw this out. We put it over here so that you can stand next to it. Here's the cool pack that comes with it. Oh, we got a, what is it? Apple. All right, so we got a couple apples here. You want to hold, is there a way I can get you to put that down here? Perfect. So we got an apple. We did get a bunch of greens. Now, greens, these couple of these heads, these are pretty robust. So I'm excited about that. I ordered the bigger box because I was curious what we would get. We got another apple. Another one of these. I mean, look at the size of that. It's a beautiful looking green. We got another apple. That's why this is so exciting. We got more greens. I think that they had an excess. Another apple. What else have we got in here? What else you got? What's this? Can you say pear? Okay, so we got another pear. There's a couple of those. What's this? Another apple. Eggplant. I don't even remember putting this on the order, but we got an eggplant in there. There's just so much more stuff. We got some more yellow squash. What's this? Apple. We got another pear. Here, you want to put that down there for me? Yellow squash, yellow squash. We'll move the box back here so we've got more room for produce. We've got a bunch of these bell peppers. Look at these. Those are really nice looking. Another bell pepper, broken a little bit. Another bell pepper. I mean, look at that. And this is, I would say the other one was like $27, and this one's $35. What do you got? What are these? What'd you get? Is that, what is this? Another apple. We've got some potatoes here coming in. Ooh, you know this. What's this? It's a mango. We got another mango. Oh, this one. Yeah, why don't you put the mango down? So we can make some mango salsa with that. We got a couple of heads of broccoli in here. Very excited about that. We can roast it. More potatoes. What is it? Is it a pear? We got a pear. What about this? Another apple. Lots of apples, lots of pears. The amount of produce that I'm seeing that I get out of this box is a lot higher than what we get out of the other box. To me, basically, the value here is greater. Another apple. Great. We've got this. That is a baby sweet potato. Again, it's organic. We got another sweet potato. Another sweet potato. There's three of them. Normally you get three in the other one. You got a piece of a sweet potato. You take that. Another sweet potato. And a potato, baby potato. And then on top of that, we got a couple of Vidalia onions here. Those look good. And in these boxes, usually have like tomatoes in them. All right, what did we get in this one? You ready? What is this? It's a box. What's that? It's a tomato. It's a plum tomato. If you can see that. Discolored. Flavor on these is great. I've been making BLTs with them. And what's this? A box? Okay. And lastly, what do we get in here? What is that? It's a tomato. They keep saying box for everything. So there you go. That is a lot of the produce, all of the produce that we got out of the box. I would say, I don't know why I ever went for the smaller box, because the price, just set the tomato down, please. Price difference is, I think, $5 or $7, and in this scenario, just the amount of lettuce heads that we've got here, just astronomical. We've got our toddler here hanging out with all of the produce. Can you, yeah, don't drop it. You can see all the bell peppers. You can see all of the pears that we've got. Lovely, lovely produce. We've got a bunch of potatoes, sweet potatoes. It's just amazing. And look at all of that. Tons and tons of produce. And this is what $35.99 gets you. $27 for the other stuff. It's not truly twice, but it feels like twice as much produce as we would get normally. So I would encourage you guys to check it out. Totally worth it. I went to make, this is a spoiler alert, I went to make a video on how much this box actually costs. Hey, leave. No. It's trying to put it all back in the box. How much it costs if I actually take and go buy this at the supermarket, and I will tell you this, like, this is a steal. What you're buying right here, I think the value was somewhere of like a $5 or a $10 savings, and if you get the bigger box, it's obviously a greater savings. So, and a mango, yeah. So it's pretty cool, pretty interesting. Check it out. I'm pretty cool with it. Misfits Market. The cool thing that I do like about this is that if you go to their website and you can pick when they tell you, you know, it's time to pick. You can actually go through and pick what you want. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Trying to give you more and more content, and we'll try to keep putting more and more stuff out there. Have a great one. Mango.